Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Hands and face are exposed daily to environmental factors and aggressions, high temperatures, cold, wind, cold or hot water, and the use of cleaning agents. For these reasons, the upper layer of the skin, with protective role, is removed or affected, which makes the skin of the hands become rough and wrinkled. So, you need something more effective than just a moisturizing or nourishing cream. Hand masks are a quick and easy solution for everyone. They provide intense hydration, vitaminizing and are nourishing for your skin. Companies selling beauty and care products offer us a wide range of whitening, rejuvenating, moisturizing and wrinkle masks, but they are often expensive but not more effective. A mask made at home gives you the same effects, with the difference that you know the origin of the ingredients, but more importantly they are fresh and do not contain preservatives or other additives. Olive oil helps smooth the wrinkles, remineralizes and revives the skin. Vitamins and minerals contained in the olive oil penetrate the pores of the skin, improving the blood circulation in the skin. Coconut milk not only moisturize, but combat itching, redness and inflammation. Vitamin C in coconut milk has antioxidant power, improves the appearance of the skin, maintaining elasticity and preventing wrinkling. Equally effective is aloe vera gel that helps to soothe dry skin, cleans it and moisturizes it intensely. Due to its rich composition, banana skin stimulates the ability to regenerate cells, removing pigmented spots and freckles, increasing collagen production and normalizing sebaceous glands. In addition, banana masks are good for all skin types. Consequently, banana peel is the best weapon in the fight against wrinkles. Moreover, they improve the overall quality of the skin. So you can use these 4 ingredients to prepare a super efficient hand mask. You only need 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and skin of a ripe banana. Collect the white inside of banana peel. Cut and collect the aloe gel from aloe vera leaf. The ingredients are placed in the blender and mixed for 1-2 minutes. The mask will only be applied to clean skin. The mixture obtained is applied in a generous layer on the hands and allowed to act for 1-2 hours. For the mask to take effect, it should be repeated every 2 days. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.